Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. I wanted to draw attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. To reset the settings, we have to open this three bars icon and go to the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults. Tap on it and tap on Restore. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.